Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a crystal eyeliner tutorial. So basically what this look is, it's an eyeliner look, but on top of that, I applied all these super tiny crystals using some eyelash adhesive. So it's actually quite simple, but you have to take some time to apply the crystals. I think that's the only kind of like difficult part. Even though it's not super difficult, you just have to take your time and just apply the crystals really precisely. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did this. And before I went in with any products, I first applied eyeshadow primer like I always do, and then I used a just kind of like a neutral brown color. I actually believe I used a bronzer all over my crease, just to kind of warm up my crease. You could also do this eye look without any product in your crease. Just keep your eyelids like it was. But I just felt like from experience doing like eyeliner looks previously, I feel like I do want to have something in my crease. So I'm gonna apply a simple wing liner look. I'm not gonna go really in depth in it because I have done a wing liner look tutorial very often. So if you struggle with creating a wing liner, I'm gonna link a video down in the description bar where I go really in depth on how to do this. If you don't like a wing liner look, you could also create or recreate this makeup look that I'm showing you guys today by only creating a line above the lash line, as you can see me doing right now. That could definitely look really cool as well. I went for a wing liner, but like I said, if you don't like it, just do a line above the lash line only. And if you do want to go for a wing liner, I will link down in the description bar a in-depth video on kind of how to apply a wing liner the best way, with some tips and tricks for you guys. So I'm just gonna skip that part in today's video because the focus is gonna be on the crystals. So after creating the wing liner, I went in with a liquid liner on top of my gel eyeliner, and I used a eyeliner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I mentioned this before on my channel. I really like it when I use like a gel eyeliner for my eyeliner to go on top of it with a liquid eyeliner. I just feel like it makes my eyeliner look so much more black, and it just makes it stand out more for some reason. So definitely try this trick out by layering eyeliner with different textures. It's just gonna look so much more black. So I just applied it all over my wing liner and the liner above my lash line. And this one is actually super nice. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their liquid liner. It comes in a purple bottle. And especially this one, it's super black and it has a really nice matte finish, which I think looks really cool. So if you recreate this makeup look, you could either go for like a colored eyeliner. That would be really cool as well. But I'm just using a super tiny eyeliner brush. I applied a little bit of lash glue, and then I'm going in with the same brush, which is a little bit sticky because of that lash glue that I used on it. And then I use that same brush to apply the crystals. So I'm just gonna follow the line of my eyeliner, just applying another one next to the other one. I feel like the most easiest way to do this is to already apply some of the lash glue in a line, so you can go really easily and quickly by applying the crystals. But it might take some practice, but for me it was surprisingly super quick. So after creating a line of the crystals, I went ahead and applied a little bit more of the lash glue and just followed along and applied more of the crystals. It's a kind of like a simple, even though I don't know if I should say simple because it's not really super simple, but it only takes, you only need eyeliner, eyelash adhesive, and crystals. That's the only thing you're gonna need. And of course you can top it off with some lashes, which I'm gonna do, but yeah, I think it's super cool. And I would love to wear this for New Year's Eve because it's so cool. It's really eye-catching. It's not too dramatic, even though it's quite dramatic, but when you wear this on your eyes, people will of course notice from a distance that you have something sparkly going on. but it's not like an intense cut crease or anything like that. It's more like a basic eyeliner but with crystals on it, and I'm just loving it. But like I said earlier, like I used black eyeliner underneath the crystals, but it will probably look super cool with like a white eyeliner underneath, or maybe like a really vibrant color. You can totally get creative with this and create different color combinations. I think that's super cool. So I applied some false lashes, which was kind of a struggle, to be honest, because I don't know, for some reason it just didn't stick to my eyes. I used lashes which are from Ardell, if I'm not mistaken, and you had to like make the lash band wet and then it will get sticky. It was really weird. Haven't tried these lashes before. I kind of wish I would just go in with normal lashes and just use some eyelash glue, but I always make it so hard for myself. But they're really pretty. I just had a hard time with applying them. I just felt like they were not easy to use. And these lashes were made to make it easy, because you don't have to apply lash glue on the lash band because it already had like a sticky consistency. But no, it was not easy. So everything I did at one side of my eye, I also did at the other side. So I have the eyeliner on both of my eyes. And yeah, this is the finished result of today's makeup look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel and I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left